News now from Maharashtra, where the NCP Sharad Pawar faction leader and former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has demanded that President Draupadi Murmu approve the Shakti bill that was passed by the Maharashtra legislature that prescribes the death penalty for rapists. NCP leaders and women workers protested against the delay in clearing of the bill by wearing red ribbons at the pedestal of Mahatma Gandhi's statue near the state secretariat. President Draupadi Murmu is currently on a 3-day official visit to Maharashtra. The NCP demanding that the president approve the Shakti bill that had been passed by the Maharashtra legislature, which prescribes the death penalty for rapists. Let's just listen into what NCP leader Supriya Sule had to say.
सबका सलाह लेके ये बहुत अच्छा कायदा देशमुख साहब ने लाया था और सबने दिल्ली भी भेजा हुआ है, लेकिन तब मोदी सरकार थी, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया। आज एनडीए की सरकार दिल्ली में है, उन्होंने भी कुछ नहीं किया, उसका हम जाहिर निषेध करते हैं। मैं खुद देशमुख साहब को विनती करूंगी कि देशमुख साहब अगर सब नेताओं गण को, सारे जो इंडिया अलायंस के नेता है, उनको अगर जब खत लिखे तो जब पार्लियामेंट नवंबर में शुरू होगा तो मैं देशमुख साहब को विनती करूंगी वो दिल्ली आए, सब बड़े नेताओं से हम लोग मिलेंगे, उसके बाद हम सब इंडिया अलायंस से उनसे बात करके विनती करेंगे कि हम लोग साथ जाके इस देश के जो होम मिनिस्टर है उनसे मिले और उनको विनती करें कि ये बिल ला दे।
Certainly, that's the question being asked by opposition in Maharashtra, which is why this protest was witnessed today by NCP Sharad Pawar faction. We did hear Supriya Sule. They're saying that we need guarantees for women's safety and therefore this bill needs to be approved. In fact, Maharashtra government had been pushing for this bill, but this was in fact passed by Maharashtra legislature in 2021, and at that time MVA was in power, which is why the MVA at the moment are pushing for it, saying that there can't be any more delays. Now, of course, Draupadi Murmu is in town, is in Mumbai for a 3-day visit. In fact, she's there for centenary celebration of Mantralaya in Mumbai, and therefore this protest also taking place right next to Secretariat, where there Supriya Sule and several other women workers of NCP, women leaders of NCP are stating that Shakti bill, which in fact prescribes death penalty for rapists as well as stringent punishment as far as sexual assault offenders are concerned, need to be approved by the president of the country. In fact, MVA had been pushing for it. This was something that was passed in Maharashtra legislature in 2021 when MVA was in power. It went to the president in 2021 itself. It's been more than 3 years, but the bill is still pending for approval. So now, of course, there had been back and forth between Maharashtra government and centre. Centre recently, in fact, asking Maharashtra government, questioning Maharashtra government over the need for Shakti bill simply because there have been new criminal laws that have come to fore, which takes care of strict punishment as far as sexual offenders is concerned. So yes, there is a back and forth between Maharashtra government and the centre over the bill, but the MVA leaving no stone unturned in taking this up, especially significant considering the incidents that we saw in Kolkata, of course, and Badlapur as well.